This is Dr. Anand Pai coming back with another problem on 1D motion. Let us see. This question is from Andhra Pradesh CET. It's a bit not so easy, not so difficult question. Let us see this. Okay. A student is at a distance of 16 meter from a bus when the bus begins to move with constant acceleration of 9 meters per second square. The minimum velocity with which the student should run towards the bus so as to catch it is alpha into root 2 meters per second. The value of alpha is, let us see this. So we have a bus here and there is a student who is at a distance of 16 meters from that bus. Okay, there's a student who is at a distance of 16 meters from the bus. So he has to run towards it with a velocity, say average velocity v. Now what should be the minimum velocity with which the student has to run so as he will catch the bus? Let us look at it. So now first of all, the distance run by the student should be equal to 16 meters plus the distance moved by the bus. All right. So distance 16 meters, distance moved by the student would be the average velocity into the time, whereas distance moved by the bus would be ut plus half at square, right? A is the acceleration. So let us substitute the values 16 plus. This ut would be 0 because initially the bus is stationary, plus half into this would be acceleration is given as 9 meters per second. So we are substituting that and t square. Now what has happened here is we have got a quadratic equation here. Okay. And here there are two unknowns. Let us see how the quadratic equation is. We will have 2 into v into t is equal to 32 plus 9t square, right? Now this could be coming as 9t square minus 2 into v into t plus 32 is equal to 0. And here if you see, the quadratic equation is in time t, and here there are two unknowns. One is velocity and one is time. So we have two unknowns and a student may get stuck over here. But we have to go one level higher to get the answer. It's something like this. So let us keep v as it is and we will take it as a constant now and we will try to get the velocity. Okay. So we will get for a quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The solution would be x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, let us put that over this equation. So here time t would be equal to minus of minus 2v, so it will be plus 2v plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. B square would be 4v square minus 4 into a is nothing but 9 into c, which is 32, right? So now divided by 2 times 2 into 2 times 9, right? So it would be 2 times 9. So now this time would be equal to, now here observe, whatever be the value of time may be, if the value inside the root is not going to is negative, if the value inside the root is negative, then we have complex solutions. So we have to have a solution where 4v square minus 4 into 9 into 32 should be always greater than 0. That means our 4v square should be greater than 4 into 9 into 32, or v square should be greater than 9 into 32, which is 9 into 32 is 288. So v square should be greater than 288, or v should be greater than or equal to, v should be greater than or equal to square root of 288. Now 288 can be written as square root of 2 into 144. And 144, root of 144 is actually 12. So it should be 12 and then root 2 remains root 2. So value of velocity would be 12 into root 2. And here it is alpha into root 2. So the minimum velocity with which the student should run towards the bus so as to catch it is 12 root 2, and the answer for this is B, which is 12. I hope you have enjoyed this problem, students, and also I hope you have tried to solve this before seeing my answer. This is very important. Don't look through the questions just like seeing a movie. It will not be helpful at all. First, the initial, before opening up the video only, you have to open up the question, try to solve it, and then see the video. So I hope you have understood this. All the best, students. Happy learning.